The Active Directory Pro Toolkit simplifies user management, reporting, and cleanup of Active Directory. In this video, I will quickly walk through some of its features. So on the dashboard, to generate the dashboard, just click refresh and it gives you a quick overview of your environment, breaks down of users, groups, computers, and OUs, and some other domain information. These cards are interactive, so I can click on one of these little reports and it will show me details on that report. There's a breakdown of operating systems, breakdown of password health, and it helps identify stale and risky objects. The tools section is broken out into categories for user management, group management, security, computer, and other options. Under user management, you can do most of your basic day-to-day management from here. You can come in here and look up accounts, and I can edit them, delete them, remove them. I can add photos. I can click edit and modify accounts. I can add the users and remove them from groups, reset passwords. I can move them to a different OU. All from this user management screen. I can create accounts, and it's got a built-in templating system. I can create my own accounts to help streamline account creation by automatically adding them to groups, automatically setting properties, automatically setting naming conventions. I can bulk import accounts, bulk reset accounts, troubleshoot lockouts. Offboarding users. This will help you streamline offboarding accounts, and lots of other user management tools. Groups, I can do my group management from here. I can look up a group, select it. I can then edit the group. I can add, remove users to groups, delete, move the group. Various security tools, AD cleanup. So if I want to find stale objects in Active Directory, just select the AD cleanup tool, select your options, click run, and it's going to go identify your stale objects in Active Directory. You can then clean them up, export them from here. There's a compliance report. This will help you find weaknesses and issues in Active Directory by giving you a compliance score and then a breakdown of the various categories. Computer tools, I can do bulk actions, elapsed password viewer, BitLock recovery, AD health check, DNS health check. Lots of tools in here to help you manage Active Directory. And there's a reporting section. So lots of reports, categories, users, user reports, log on, and other categories. Just find the report you want, click run report. By default, they'll run on the entire domain. Just click browse if you want to run a report on a specific OU. Reports can be customized by clicking on columns, and then you can add, remove whatever columns you need to the report. They can be exported by clicking export and choosing your format. Reports can be automated by using the built-in scheduler. Just click new schedule and then browse and select the category of reports you want. You can choose to email it or save it to a disk. Reports and tools. The toolkit comes with a role-based access system. So if you need to limit who has access to what, you can just use this role-based access part. You would add a user, you would create a group, add the user to the group, and then it will lock down the toolkit to what the user could access. So if I wanted somebody to just be able to run reports, I would add them to this reports group, and then when they open up the toolkit, all they would see is reports. They wouldn't have access to tools, they wouldn't have access to settings. It's a quick and simple way to give delegated access to the toolkit. It supports multi-domain environments. Come in domain settings and add your additional domains, and then when you go to a tool or report, you have a domain option here, so you could run it on, you could select the domain you want, or you could select them all. There is an activity log, so you can check what's going on. You can check for errors, service logs as well. So that was a very quick overview of the AD Pro Toolkit. It's a very lightweight application. You can install it on your Windows computer, Windows 11, your laptop. You could throw it on a server, just anywhere where you've got connectivity to your domain controllers. And that's it. You can download a 14-day free trial from our website, activedirectorypro.com. Thanks.